Welcome back to my YouTube. So today I have another meal that I'm going to try to make, my first time making it, but I wanted to share it with you guys. I'm trying to do like the keto diet or not to eat like the noodles, the bread and stuff like that. So I picked up all this stuff to make squash pasta with shrimp and chicken. I have the zucchini spirals already cut up, and then I have the, I know this isn't good, the 4 cheese ragu, but I mean, I'm new at it. If you have any tips, leave them down below and help a girl out. So I have some little small tomatoes here and then some chopped up broccoli I'm going to add. So yeah. So I have my pan with a little bit of vegetable oil. You can use butter, but I don't have butter. So over here, I'm going to start chopping up the chicken breast in little pieces, and then my shrimp. I'm going to rinse them out. And let those rinse out a little bit. Like that, just run my fingers through them. And then I'm gonna drain them out. Oh, I hate filming with this big ass camera. Come back over here. Here. I'm gonna get some Himalayan pink salt, some lemon pepper, and some garlic powder to season it a bit. Let me get this camera sorted out. Okay. So I'm gonna put these in here. Okay, I'm gonna put some of this lemon pepper. Some salt. A little bit of salt. Some garlic powder. Actually, I have real garlic powder that I was gonna put. I'm gonna let that cook for like 4 or 5 minutes and then flip them. Okay, so I diced up the chicken and I'm gonna put it in here. I just cut it in little cubes. And I'm gonna let that cook. So over here, I'm just gonna put open this bag. Broccoli and just place it on there. And then I'm gonna get these little baby tomatoes and basically just get them and cut them in half. Just throw them in there. Everything nicely chopped up, the shrimp down there. I'm going to put it back on the fire in a minute. I just dumped everything together. Now I'm just going to mix. I think I'm going to have to change pans because I still have to add the squash and the sauce. So let me find a pan. Okay, so now time for the zoodles. So I sprayed it with nonstick spray. Now I'm just going to drop them in and let these cook for like 3 minutes. I read that you should cook these by themselves, not mix everything together. A little bit of Himalayan salt. Let's let these cook for a little bit. And then I'm going to add the 4 cheese ragu. The noodles off, warmed them up a little bit. Not the noodles, the zucchini. And now I'm warming up the cheese. Go ahead and add this. Oh shit. The completed look like it's a fucking makeup, but it looks delish. If you like this, give it a thumbs up and comment down below any diet tips that you have or any meals that I could steal from you. So yeah, give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, I'll see you in my next.